Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm not cooking any dishes, but I just want to share with you how I wash and clean the lala or the clam. I just got back from the market and I bought 1 kilo of clam or lala. Before cooking the lala, I always clean it very thoroughly. So just take a look. This is 1 kilo of lala. When I bought the lala, it was quite fresh. Some of them are still alive. To wash the lala, I'm just going to wash it with water. Fill the basin with the water. Alright, we just need to wash it like that. Like this. And throw the water. I'm going to repeat this step for about 4 to 5 times. You see, at the end of the washings, you can notice that the water is very clear. When the water is clear like this, we can stop washing. Okay. Then I'm going to take out the water. And I have a block of ice here. I'm just going to keep them cool. And I have another basin filled with ice. So for lala or clam, right, it needs to be kept in the cool place at all time. So I'm going to pick the lala one by one like that and check under the running water. And we'll try to open it up. Okay, trying to check if it can open. If it cannot open means there is lala inside. Okay, there's no mud. So this is, and this is okay. And we're going to put it in this basin. So we're going to keep doing this one by one. Okay, just like that. Something like this can be seen, so it's quite easy. So you can pick something like this. For those shelves that is still closed, right, we need to try to check it. See? And like this is okay. This one cannot open, but got weight, so it's okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. All right. That's all. Last. So we have our lala here, 1 kilo, very clean. Not one that is rotten or have mud inside. I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it one more last time. Alright, this is how I wash and clean the lala or the clam before I cook it. I hope it will be a good help whenever you want to cook the lala. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my home cooking tips like this. Thank you and bye-bye.